It's okay. It's okay to cry. It's okay. Are you scared? Are you scared? Huh? It's okay. I'm gonna tell you. You hold your hands. Or take off your mask first. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I stopped with number 10, right? Hey, listen. Ella.
Not use your phone and drive.
What? Do not?
Do not use your phone while driving the car.
What's up mga bitokon? Wala lang. It's just an ordinary vlog. Today is Monday. I'm with my beautiful little princess Ella. Nasa klase alas 2.
We're going to the dentist.
So dugay na niya nga problem niya ngipon ta hadlok siya ni. So kana din mga dentist di ay na di kanang dentist po nga specialized for the kids, pedia ba. So this time ako siyang kuan niya ikadlok. Kaya naanad naman sila kanang sa balay ra nga ibton ra gamit ang mga string. Siyempre, what grade are you na galing?
2.
Grade 2 na siya. So kani si Doc Gian Duterte, parehan ako ni Corpus Christian gyapon. Siya isay pedia gini siya nga dentist. So iyang specialize sa ang mga bata. Alright, nalami sa gawa sa clinic ni Doc Duterte. Napay nakakuan waiting. Ay, next kita na next. Pagsulod naman sa Polymedic, kailangan naka QR code. So, ano yung problema? Basta lang na lang kay appointment. Naman sila yung number dito, kailangan ka mag-appointment. Oops!
Daddy, you're gonna drop it again. That's your dream.
So, meet your dentist. Brad, na-convince yun ako siya, Brad. Tako gitong gi-follow yung mong giingon, gatong kusi. Very good. Say hi. Moni siya akong amigo. So he's a pedia dentist. Daddy lesson.
Here. Do you want that to be painful? Do you want that to cause pain sa imo? Diba? I'm here going to help you. Okay? I need to take it out. Okay? Diba it's gonna hurt? But there's no shouting. Okay? It's okay to cry. But you don't have to shout. Okay? Let's lie down first. Ito tayo na Are you scared? Are you scared? Huh? It's okay. I'm gonna tell you. You hold your hands or take off your mask first. Are you scared? Huh? Are you scared? It's okay. You're a brave girl, man, diba?
Brave girl.
You're a brave girl, right? Right? Yes, you are. You're a brave girl. Diba? You're like daddy who's brave. Right? Listen lang sa we're not yet gonna do anything pa. So, listen first, okay? I'm not gonna do anything painful pa for now. I'm gonna tell you to you later. Okay? So first, I'm gonna let you bite on something, wipe your lips, and it's not gonna hurt. Okay? After the prick, there's nothing to be worried about na. There's not going to be any pain. Okay? Okay? Yeah, put your hands at the back. Thank you. are you so beautiful? Uy! Let's clean your teeth! So dirty! Brad, permanent na niyang bagang ha?
Mo good. Kanawa gina bro, nilusot siya yung gums bro, diya dapita bro. Kanawa ganila sa taas bro. Kanawa bro.
Oo, di hubag ni sa una ba? Di hubag ni.
Okay.
Pag hubag, di buto. Mo din permanent ni.
Mo galing?
Oo. Ipon ni Brad.
Mo good, last lang kaya first time ko nung kinalo.
Ay, lang siya. Clean it lang din.
Singipon na.
Ngipon ni. Kung sa batang gamay pa, Brad, premature ba?
Kung saan mo na brad, makuha ba na brad?
Just cleaning it, look up. It's so dirty, di ba? Did it hurt? Alright.
May kani mga doktor mga ngilat sa ganyan.
Mga mayo mo, storya o mga,
Actually, mo man ang kuhan diya.
mga bata.
Mahilad yung bata, sabot na single man. Very good. Alright, na. Ano ni gawas na siya no?
Gawas ang iyang permanent teeth na wala sa oras.
So kanang nasa gawas, dili pa na permanent.
Dili pa.
Okay.
You okay? Sapat pa gamay lang. Okay, so this is the part where I have to pinch you. Okay? It's okay. You're going to feel 2 pricks lying like this. Okay? It's okay. You can do this. Alright? Oh, you hold Papa's hand. You hold Papa's hand. Alright? It's okay. It's just going to... Ate, look. Listen. I'm going to count 1 to 20. Okay? After 20, then we're done. It's not gonna hurt anymore. Okay? Okay? It's okay. It's okay to cry, but you don't have to shout. Okay? There. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Not yet. First one. 3. We don't move, boy. 4. 5, 6. Does it hurt? It's okay. Just try. Ate, look at me. Listen. Ella, look at me. Try to inhale, exhale, be. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Okay, we're done with the first one. Okay. Asan nagay ko na number, Ella? I stopped with number 10, right? Hey, listen. Ella, I forgot what number na I counted. 10? What number ma? 11? What man? I forgot. 12? 19? Okay. 20. Oh, see?
Anong kato sa kuro? Kung mag-ipayhap na. Ipayhap na yung bro. Pula di na kumapil. Yes!
Oh, how was it?
Done!
How was it?
Oh,
How was it?
Yay!
Kaya ba, di ba?
Very good.
Oh, see?
Yes!
See? High five. Oh, you want to gargle? Huh? The one that pricked you? See? Oh, it's not injection.
It's a crocodile.
It's a crocodile.
Ay, lizard. Lizard.
What's this? A crocodile or a lizard? You don't have to be scared.
Grabe gini mga pakulo ni mga dentist sa pidya gitu. Kabalo gid mo.
Okay? No? You want to be the one to take out your tooth? No? You wanna try? But you won't be scared. Wait lang. Did it hurt? Did it hurt? Tada! Ay.
Ayaw eh.
Sana. Tada! Oh, did it hurt? Oh, see? There's nothing to be scared about, okay? And this one. I'm just pushing. Remember, I told you na I need to push your foot so it's hard. Yeah. Ta-da! Did it hurt? Oh, see? You want to be the one to take it out? Huh? Ta-da! See, did it hurt? Suction sa lang. Are you okay? No? Why? See, we're done. You want to gargle?
Yeah.
Pero kulang.
Nung sa na nakuha na siya.
Wala, gawas na yung sunod.
So may temporary na.
Temporary na ni.
Okay.
This is for the tooth fairy.
Yeah, tooth fairy.
This is for your tooth fairy, little girl.
Buhay that one, ha?
Wala.
Bro, crisis na ba ang tooth fairy?
Ilay down sa ate, man.
Bro, kinatagan sa una, 1.5 to 1.5. Mahal kinatagan. Lahi ang tooth fairy sa Westwoods, kaya 1.5 ang kinatagan niya.
Big mata to,
How was it? Nice. I told you, it's just a pinch, no?
Did I put injection on you?
It was just a lizard.
What was the lizard?
Galing nga gani mga doktor sa Pedia, Brad. Muna usa sa pang-eskwelahan sa Pedia, Brad. Muna usa sa mga eskwelahan ninyo.
Mamuto ubat.
Ang sa tayo mag-isulti sa ako, Brad, nga. Katong mga pinch ba? Effective, Brad.
Effective, di ba?
Kay kung sa'yo kasagala ka kay tabo.
Kaya nga kahitabo, mamakakta sa mga bata. Yun na, diliibton, walay sakit. Pagabot diri sakit, diha na matroma.
Matroma. So, mo nang hadlok na rin siya.
Hadlok, so dapat saktong posturya na dito mamaka.
Masakitan eh.
Sakit, ingno na sa sakit. Ano pa?
So, sama na siya manguyab lang. Yun yung masakitan yung ka, manguyab ka. Ano?
Oo. Pag bati na niyo muna, anay laming, no na niyo daan.
Pila ida dapat, o sabay ida dapat sa bata gido nga mobisitag dentist sa tila na lang.
Dapat 1 year old.
1 year old, gibali. Pag reach po og 1 year old, mo gid na ang burag na po na si Mono na nga.
Kuan na gina.
Ting visit na po na sa dentist. No?
Visit na na.
Alright. Nabay mga factor ka na mga kusog mo didi paghapon, tamsak, may problema na sa kan? Tama ba?
Muna una gyud sa rason nga madaot ang ipon. Kanang pagdidi, kanang dili bukson og pantoothbrush.
Okay.
Dili proper enforcement on toothbrushing.
So let's buy na what? Let's buy. First,
you buy na the
Ice cream.
yes.
Jollibee pa ta. Mag-Jollibee pa ta dili na. Ha? Jollibee pa ta?
McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Yeah. Or near McDonald's, man.
Near dito sa McDonald's? Ano ba drive-thru na? Drive-thru ba na? Drive-thru na McDonald's? No? Drive-thru na? Okay.
So imong gid ko sa walay.
Thank you, brother.